How to open NinjaTrader account updated. Most people get this wrong, but opening a NinjaTrader account doesn't have to be complicated. You won't believe how quickly you can start trading if you follow these updated steps. First, visit the official NinjaTrader website and click Sign Up or Open an Account. You'll be asked whether you want a live trading account or a free demo. For beginners, starting with a demo account is highly recommended to practice without risking real money. Next, fill in your personal details, name, email, phone number, and country. Make sure all information is accurate for verification purposes. You may also need to create a secure password that meets the requirements. After submitting personal information, provide financial details, including trading experience, annual income, and net worth. NinjaTrader uses this to customize your account and ensure compliance with regulations. Once your account is verified via email, download the NinjaTrader platform for your computer. Install it, then log in using the credentials you just created. You'll now have access to live or simulated market data depending on your account type. Finally, fund your account if you're going live. Link your bank account or preferred funding method and deposit the amount you plan to trade with. If using a demo account, skip this step and start exploring market charts and tools immediately. In conclusion, opening a NinjaTrader account involves visiting the website, filling in personal and financial details, verifying your account, installing the platform, and funding it for live trading. Following these steps ensures a smooth start for both beginners and experienced traders.